Laplace transformations. Okay, in this time I talk about Laplace transformation, some most important topic. Okay, so suppose you understand. Okay, where this Laplace transforms uses. Okay, this is a very important topic, electrical engineering, and for instance where electrical circuit are represented as differential equations. Okay, so suppose you understand f of t. Okay, it is a real variables and defined for all t greater than equals to 0 and complex variables f of x. Okay, L f of t is equal to integration 0 to infinite f of t e to the power minus st dt is equal to f of s. Okay, this is very most important formula. Next I talk about some primarily examples. Okay, and next you understand this topic. Suppose L of t to the power n is equal to n factorial by s to the power n plus 1. Okay, 1 factorials means 1, 2 factorials mean 2 into 1, 3 factorials mean 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, next I talk about looking inside the Laplace transforms of sine. Okay, e to the power it is equal to cos t plus I sin t. This is Euler formula. Okay, EULERS, Euler's formula. Okay, and next f of t is equal to sin at. Okay, and sin at is equal to e to the power iat minus e to the power minus iat by 2i. Okay, this is Laplace transforms of sin at. And next L of sin at, this is exponential. Okay, sin at, okay, is equal to 1 by 2i. Sin at is equal to 1 by 2i 0 to infinite e to the power iat minus e to the power minus iat, okay, into e to the power minus st dt. And next, which means that we have a product of exponential distributions of terms, we get L of sin at. Okay, L of sin at is equal to 1 by 2i integration 0 to infinite e to the power iat minus st minus e to the power minus iat, okay, minus st into dt. Okay, factoring the t in the exponential yield Laplace sin at is equal to 1 by 2i integration 0 to infinite e to the power iota a minus s into t minus e to the power minus iota a minus s t into dt. And hence since res greater than 0. Okay, and next L of Laplace sin at is equal to e to the power iota a minus s into t by 2i iota a minus s 0 to infinite minus e to the power minus iota a minus s into t by 2i minus ia minus s. Okay, 0 to infinite. Next, by simplify the future distributions iota inside the uh, percentage we get. Okay, and by regulating the t at the boundaries we get Laplace sin at, okay, is equal to e to the power iota a minus s into infinite by 2 minus a minus iota s minus e to the power iota a minus s into 0 by 2 minus a minus iota s, okay, minus, okay, this minus e to the power minus iota a minus s into infinite by 2 a minus iota s minus e to the power minus iota a minus s into 0 by 2 a minus iota s, okay, and because re s greater than 0 and assumptions both e to the power iota a minus s into infinite and e to the power minus iota a minus s into infinite, okay, oscillate to OSCI, to oscillate to 0, okay, vanish at infinity, and after which we are then the left with Laplace sin at is equal to 1 by minus 2 a minus iota s plus 1 by 2 a minus iota s, okay, and once then merging the functions together would yield Laplace sin at is equal to 2 a minus iota s minus 2 into minus a minus iota s by this 2 into 2 4 minus 4 a minus iota s into minus a minus iota s is equal to 2a minus 2 iota s plus 2a plus 2 iota s by 4 into a square plus iota sa minus iota sa plus ac square, okay, is equal to this value and this value cancel, and oh sorry, this value and this value cancel, but this is same symbol, this is not cancel, okay, this is addition, it is 4a by 4, this value cancel, okay, a square plus ac square is equal to a by a square plus ac square, okay, uh, Laplace sin at, okay, is equal to this formula a by a square plus ac square, okay, always remember. Next, same to same topic, Laplace sin at is equal to a by a square plus ac square and Laplace cos at, okay, Laplace cos at is equal to s by a square plus ac square, okay, and res greater than 0, okay. Next I talk about divergent functions, what the Laplace transforms is for, okay, f of t, suppose f of t is equal to e to the power at, okay, and next Laplace e to the power at is equal to 0 to infinite e to the power at e to the power minus s dt is equal to infinite 0 to infinite e to the power a minus s t into dt, okay, and here we see that so long a res greater than 0, res greater than a, and 0 to infinite e to the power a minus s t into dt is equal to e to the power a minus s t by a minus s 0 to infinite is equal to 0 minus 1 by a minus s is equal to 1 by s minus a, okay, 0 to infinite e to the power a minus s t into dt is equal to 1 by s minus a, always remember, okay, and next this is that is as such a long as res greater than a, and Laplace transform e to the power at is a simple 1 by s minus a, Okay, next topic 0 to next topic Laplace. Okay, Laplace t to the power n e to the power at is equal to 0 to infinite e to the power t to the power n e to the power at, okay, e to the power minus st dt. Okay, and this is which after a bit reductions and integrations by parts. Okay, recurrences and integration by parts n factorial by s minus a to the power n plus 1. Okay. Next is the transforms of unfathomable power. Okay, s to the power n Laplace f of t is equal to minus summation of r is equal to 0 n minus 1 s to the power n minus 1 minus r f to the power r 0. Okay, and n is equal to 2, and we have Laplace f double derivative f double dash t is equal to s square Laplace, okay, f of t minus s f of 0 minus f dash 0. Okay, and next you understand function and Laplace transform. The first one, Laplace transform 1 by s t, it is 1 by s square, and t to the power n, it is n factorial by s to the power n plus 1, and e to the power at 1 by s minus a. And next sin at is equal to as a Laplace transform a by a square plus s square, and cos at cos at, it is s by a square plus s square, and t to the power n e to the power at, it is n factorial by s minus a to the power n plus 1. And next f to the power 2 t, it is s square Laplace f of t, okay, minus s f of 0 minus f dash 0. And next f to the power n, this is last formula, f to the power n, this is Laplace transform s to the power n Laplace, okay, f of t minus summation of r is equal to 0 to n minus 1 s to the power n minus 1 minus r f to the power r 0. Okay, so all formula and Laplace transform very most important. Okay, this is function and this is Laplace transform TRANSFORM. Okay, so thank you, take care, goodbye. Next I uploaded some most important question answer. Okay, this is basic formula. Okay, thank you, take care, goodbye.